Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So let's talk about my lawn and what's going on right now. Over the course of this past week, there has been tons of rain that's happened. I can't believe right now we got partly cloudy skies. But what it's created, everybody say hello to Winston. What it's created is water runoff down the front and the back. And I get these things called zebra stripes, snake lines, tiger stripes, whatever you want to call it. And what that is when you get some decomposed grass, it's basically dead, there's a lot of water that flows through and it pushes those down through your lawn. In my case, down the front and the back here. And they start to stack up on each other, and then the water will run, they stack up on each other, and the water will run, stack up on each other. And it creates those ripple effects in your lawn. You're wondering, man, how'd those get here? And what do I do to get rid of them? Well, how they get here is because you got a ton of rain all at once and it pushed all of that dead material down in your lawn. How do you get rid of them? One, you can wait until your lawn dries out. If you try to do it when it rains, you're gonna have when it's wet, you're gonna have a mess. Wait till it dries out, get your leaf blower out and start to blow all those out. They will sit up on top of the canopy of your lawn. Then you can just come through with your rotary mower with the bag on it, or with your real mower and the bag on it. Do a clean cut across your yard and it'll kick all those up into the basket. You'll be good to go. In my case, I've got a ton of them all over my lawn. And so what I'm going to do is get my Scarifier out and I'm gonna go through the entire lawn. And Scarifier, it's got little blades on it that'll go through and it'll cut stolons and things like that. It'll bring trash up from your lawn. It'll kick it up to the surface. And I'm gonna go over the entire lawn with that. When that's done, all that material, all those snake lines, zebra stripes, whatever you wanna call it, will be sitting on top of the surface. And what I'll do is just come through with my rotary, with the bag on it, I'll pick them up, and then I'll come through and I'll do a clean cut on the lawn to get rid of all that. It's a pain, yeah, it's a pain in the butt, but it's part of keeping the lawn low cut like I do. That's just one of the products of it. So that's what I got to do to get it taken care of. Now, I'm going to try to show you a good example. It's hard to see right here on this camera with it, but this is the chipping green back here. And I don't know if you guys can see the ripples in this, but I'm going to get down here on some of this. Like right here is one. Right here is one. Here. Now, why do I want to get rid of this? Because I want a smooth lawn. And if I were to let this just accumulate over and over and over, when I'm cutting my lawn, my mower's just going to be bouncing, going along, bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. And I don't want that. I want to be able to take a golf ball, roll it across my lawn, and my lawn roll just smooth. And also, if you let that accumulate and the grass just grow over it, that can be a breeding ground for disease and for insects and things like that to start popping up in your lawn. If you want a good healthy lawn, you've got to get that crap out of there, pick it up, dump it. And this may be a process that you have to do it there. This is early spring, or no, this is mid-spring. This may be a process that you have to do a few times during the spring, just because you're waiting for your lawn to come out of full dormancy and fill in. As you can see right now, I'm not completely filled into my lawn, so I have issues like that going on, especially over here. So that's what this video is about. Let me give you a good shot of a gardenia, early gardenia coming in the season. There's one coming out and one down there. I love some gardenias, they smell good. But anyways, that's all Bermuda Brian's got for you. Bermuda Brian. Oh,